Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "This app is not active." This app is not accessible right now, and the app developer is aware of the issue error on Facebook. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account. If you're already signed in, log out of your account, then sign back in and try opening the app again. It's important to know that this error is usually not caused by your Facebook account or your device. In most cases, it appears because the app developer has disabled the app is under maintenance, or Facebook has temporarily restricted the app. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct fix that users can apply. The best solution is to wait until the app developer reactivates the app or releases an update to resolve the issue. You can also check the app's official website or social media pages for updates from the developer. Once the developer fixes the problem, the app should become accessible again without you needing to change any settings. And that's it. That's what the "This app is not active. This app is not accessible right now" error means and how to deal with it. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.